What's the meaning of bloated? Bloated. Bloated.
Bloated. Bloated. The term bloated typically refers to something that is excessively swollen or enlarged, often due to an accumulation of fluid or air. In a figurative sense, it can also be used to describe a person or thing that is overly inflated or distended, often in the context of being sluggish or sluggish. This can be applied to a variety of situations, such as bloated software that consumes excessive memory and slows down a computer system, or a bloated budget that includes unnecessary expenses and reduces financial efficiency. Overall, the term bloated generally connotes excess, overindulgence, and inefficiency.